Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So, in this lecture, we have to discuss a mini project. In this project, I will show you how to design a pattern floor by using H command. Okay, so let us discuss this in AutoCAD file. So, here you can see in this AutoCAD file, here already I have created a floor plan layout. Now, I will show you how to apply H pattern to represent different flooring material in different room. Okay, so if you want to use the hatch, if you want to apply the hatch pattern, so in draw panel, see in draw panel here you will get the hatch command. You can use it from here. Otherwise, in command line you can just type shortcut hat for hatch, enter. See, now here you will get the boundary panel, pattern panel. From here, from this boundary panel, you we have a two option. We can, after selecting the pattern, we can hit on pick point. So you want to hit on pick point. Okay, whatever pattern you want to apply, suppose angle, so you have to select a pick point and pick a point inside like this. Okay, so you will get the pattern. See, if you want to apply the solid pattern, so from here you have to select the solid pattern and pick a point. But remember, whatever pattern you are applying inside the room, so room will be in closed loop. Okay, so see, when I'm selecting here, it is showing pattern is fill in this door area also. I don't want to fill the pattern in this area. So for that, what you can do, here what I'm doing, see, I'm using the polyline, PL, enter. What I have drawn one line, this boundary line inside of the flow, so that in this area only I want to fill the pattern. So now use the hatch pattern. So okay, so I will show you now. You can select the boundary also. If you want to fill angle pattern, select it. Now you can select the boundary. If you select the boundary, see, pattern will fill. Okay, but see, when I'm selecting here, the option is given which line you want to select, the line, polyline or none. So if you don't want to see this thing, so see, from here straighter you can just off this selection cycling. Okay, now you, when you select the boundary line, see, the pattern is available. Okay, now if you want to delete, select it, delete it. Correct. Now see, I want to show you how to apply the pattern. So hit on hatch command. Now two option is given, you can select the boundary or otherwise you can pick a internal point. Okay, so which type of pattern, suppose in bedroom I want to apply concrete material for floor. So from here, see, from the drop down list, here we have a different pattern. You can use it, gradient, everything is given. So I want to apply the concrete. So where it is, here we have a concrete, select that pattern. Now from here you can select the boundary object. Suppose I have selected boundary. Okay, the pattern is filled now, but the problem is what, why it is not visible? Because see here, the scale is given, hatch pattern scale is 1. So you want to reduce the scale, hatch pattern scale. Suppose from here I am reducing zero point 0.1, I am taking, enter. See, the size of concrete is now increased. Okay, if you want to change the color, if you don't want this type of color, white color, so see, in properties panel only, here you will get the by layer. You can change the hatch color. Suppose if you want to take a cyan color, you can take it. Okay, as per that, see, the now the color is showing cyan, but I want a white only, so I have selected by layer. From here, see, background color also you can change, it is a none, but if you want to take background color, you can change it from here. Okay, so suppose here in my case, what I am doing, background color I am taking this one only, this type of color, or black, you can take the black color also. Okay, so from here you can change the pattern, solid, if you want to apply the solid, gradient option is given, user defined. Okay, so I am selecting pattern because I have selected concrete, then finally enter. See, the pattern is applied for this bedroom. Now here we have a hall. So first of all, you have to use the polyline, because always I have told you, if you want to apply the pattern, so you have to create a closed. Okay, just apply the pattern. So here I want to trace this one, or just you can trace it. So here I have created one closed loop with the help of polyline. Okay, see, this is closed loop. Now in this loop you can in closed area you can apply the pattern. So I'm using the hatch. Now suppose I want to apply some different pattern, like this type of pattern. So I have selected. Now you can use a pick point also, select it. But see, the size is, I think, from here you can just take as a 1. You can increase the size, uh, pattern scale. If it is looking good is okay, otherwise from here you can change the color also, as I told you. Now suppose if you want to take yellow color, okay, you can take it. Okay, if you want to change the background color, that also you can do it like this. Okay, now in dining area I want to apply, so hit on patch. From here you can take, suppose this pattern I have taken, applied. I want to change the color, sorry. Now here I have taken, but see, problem is what, it is coming, pattern is coming here in this door. So better is what, first by using the polyline, take the rectangle and draw one rectangle, and inside this you can apply the pattern. This one, suppose color I am changing as a green color. Okay, so inside this you can increase or decrease. If it is okay, enter. In veranda I want to apply the pattern, so use the polyline, take the rectangle from this point to this point, which type of pattern you want. So select the hatch, and here we have a different option, you can see. Suppose now I am selecting this one. Select boundary if you want to select the boundary. Okay, you can select the boundary, change the color. Suppose now I am taking cyan color, enter. Same way here also, so use the polyline first of all and create a in loop. Okay, then I am taking hatch pattern from here. Suppose now I want to apply this one, gravel. Select the boundary line, and from here I am changing the color, suppose this one, enter. Okay, now here you can see the wall. So in this wall I want to fill the concrete material. So where is concrete? In this drop down list, here you will get the concrete material, select it, and then hit on pick point, and then color I want to change as a bi layer only, just. But what we have to do, all of you know, and remember the boundary whatever you are filling, here I am reducing the scale. See, now it is showing like this. This should be a enclosed loop. Okay, then only you can apply. So now I'm using select boundary line and apply it. See, but here the possibility is not there. So see what I'm doing, pick point and apply it here, then apply it here. It is not possible, so here I have applied, here also, here we have applied the, just apply it, enter. After doing, see, in this way you can apply the hatch pattern, material and everything. Okay, so I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.